hereby. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is 4:43. Willow, how you feeling? That's how we feeling. And we about to head to the airport right now. JetBlue, let's go. Luna always thinks she could fit everything in this one suitcase. We reached. Willow.
Folks, we've started our initial descent at this time.
Yo, I thank God that we made that flight on time. We actually woke up a little late than we were supposed to. We are here in Maarten for the second time this year. Oh my God. We gotta love this place. It gotta be that. All right, let me go wait for our suitcase, and my sister should be out waiting for us. So let's go do it. So the first time we came was for Carnival. Definitely family vacation still, but it was for Carnival, celebrating my birthday and playing mass work as well. But this time we came down for my mom, came to visit my mother, came to just have a real chill family vacation, really. So yeah, that's why we down here for a second time. So boom, my sister picked us up from the airport, so now we just driving to my mom's restaurant. Yeah. Yep, just coming in. Oh, coming from New York. I forget those be leaving from New York to not only Florida.
Yes.
Yeah, some of them do leave from New York. Alrighty.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Reach at my mom's beautiful restaurant. These videos don't even do it justice. Man, it's so beautiful there. So whenever you're in St. Maarten, make sure y'all pop out and check out Lizzie's on the boardwalk. For sure. Anyhow, yeah, this is my mom's restaurant. This is my mom.
Why do they have to say
What's up, birthday girl? But most importantly, we came for her birthday. What's up, birthday girl?
I know where I came from. I came from the food. The lady was following me.
She doesn't keep me on track.
Oh my God. Take a walk with me and my cousin.
Is your cousin?
Cousin, show your face, cousin. You want to talk? Talk now.
We just catching up on family time. My mom is a mess. Why would you take off this man's hat?
Hi, guys. Kwame, what you doing, man? I don't want...
Kwame, what you doing, man? My sister. She's so shy, she's so reserved, she's like, get it together. But I told her I was gonna be vlogging on this trip, so get it together, yeah. Yo, tell me guys, how y'all feeling these confessionals? How y'all feeling them? Like, I'm fucking with them. Woo! That's that girl Liz. What? Okay.
When we jump in with the family, with the family, when we come to
Say hi to my vlog. Whoa.
Hi, bruh. What if you want to come to see Grandma house? Where?
I put your shoes on the right side, took off the sand, and you still decide to wear it like that. That look good? Give this video a like if you know a kid or if you have a kid that does that.
Hi, St. Maarten. No, we in St. Maarten.
We are in St. Maarten world.
Hi, fans. Yes.
Who we talking to?
Jasmine.
And where we can find you, what's your Instagram?
NASP.J.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna write that in right down there. And check you out. Uh-huh. Also, my mother.
Somebody is crazy.
I agree with her.
Crazy.
I agree with her.
I am crazy. It's my brother. Okay. Yes. Yes, my brother. Yes. Yes, I am fucking crazy. You think that I'm crazy? You think I'm crazy? Maybe I look crazy or I act crazy, but I am fucking crazy.
Yo, my stepdad always starts her up, but you know, shoot, you get them after work, a couple wine, and one disagreement, and they off. It's crazy. I know. Whoa, whoa. Yo, if you're still watching, thank you guys for watching this far. I'm about to head home and just get settled in and stuff. Yo, if you're watching this far, make sure you like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and check out the other vlogs from this series that's coming up. Yeah.
You recording me?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go pool.
The pool was light enough and now y'all come and stop working.
Yo!
Yeah, I gotta fix your stuff.
It's not even cold.
It never works.
It's not cold.
It never works when I'm here.
Hey, we're in Jasmine again. We're back with a bear skunk in this bag.
Uh-huh. Make sure you go and buy that bag on my website, theradicloset.com. Yeah. And she tried all night to get this cut, and she finally got it.
She likes it. The cat loves it.
I hear
Save The cat is definitely saying save me. Good night, Willow. Quick sneak peek TikTok update 2. Boom.